Well, divorce attorneys say they have been busier during the pandemic. Family law attorney Anna Martignetti told us this isn't necessarily because divorces are surging, but because they're dealing with a pretty big backlog of cases due to the pandemic. She explained in many instances that COVID-19 is not the reason that people are filing for divorce, but it has put a spotlight on existing issues for many married couples. And she shared with us some of the reasons her clients filed for divorce this past year.
The issue really has been, what are the challenges that COVID-19 has caused for families? And that is both the financial impact, the loss of job, the inability to pay support orders, leading then to psychological problems. We saw both parties, meaning the parents, who are facing psychological issues, and unfortunately their children that are facing new or exacerbated psychological issues due to COVID-19. There was also a rise in substance abuse issues in my cases, which I believe were exacerbated by the pandemic. And of course, unfortunately, domestic violence, domestic abuse issues earlier on, definitely due to the quarantining and the inability for parties to be able to separate during that time. COVID really pushed people over the edge, really did. And it was really sad to watch. It was really sad to watch. And I'm talking about it. I think it touched every class in Massachusetts.
Well, Martignetti told us divorce in Massachusetts was actually on a downward trend before the pandemic. And she also said in some cases, people are putting off getting divorced until the pandemic is over because of the lack of child care available and the cost of getting divorced.